Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about anatomy and physiology of the crystalline lens. So what is crystalline lens? The crystalline lens is a clear flexible structure that is located just behind the iris and the pupil. A ring of muscular tissue called the ciliary body surrounds the lens and is connected to the lens by fine fibers and that is called granules. Then together, the lens and the ciliary body helps control fine focusing of the light as it passes through the eye. The lens, together with the cornea, functions to focus light onto the retina. The light is a the lens is a transparent biconvex structure in the eye that, along with the cornea, helps to refract light to be focused on the retina. By changing shape, functions to change the focal length of the eye so that it can focus on objects at various distance, thus allowing a sharp real image of the object of interest to be formed on the retina. The adjustment of the lens is known as accommodation. Accommodation is similar to the focusing of a photographic camera by movement of its lenses. The lens is more flat on its anterior side than on its posterior side. In human, the refractive power of the lens in its natural environment is approximately 18 diopter, roughly one-third of the eye's total power. So this is the structure of crystalline lens. This is anterior surface and this is posterior surface. These are cells, capsules and cortex. These are the parts, and this is the diagram of our eye. So here this one is crystalline lens, this one is cornea, this portion is aqueous humor, and this portion is pupil, and then this part is iris, this is retina, these are ciliary muscle, this is optic nerve, and this portion is vitreous humor. So the lens has three main parts, that is lens capsule, second the lens epithelium, and the lens fibers. The lens capsule from the outermost layer of the lens and the lens fiber from the bulk of the interior of the eye. The cell of the lens epithelium located between the lens capsule and the outermost layer of the lens fiber are found only on the anterior side of the lens. The lens itself lacks nerves, blood vessels, or connective tissue. Now let me tell you something about lens parts. So first is lens capsule. The lens capsule is a smooth transparent basement membrane and that completely surrounds the lens. The capsule is elastic and is composed of collagen. It is synthesized by the lens epithelium, and its main components are type 4 collagen and sulfated glycosaminoglycans. And capsule is very elastic and so allow the lens to assume a more globular shape when not under the tension of the granule fiber, which connect the lens capsule to the ciliary body. The ciliary capsules varies from 2 to 28 micrometers in thickness, as being thickest near the uh, equator and thinnest near the posterior pole. Second part is lens epithelium. The lens epithelium located in the anterior portion of the lens between the lens capsule and the lens fibers is a simple cuboidal epithelium. The cell of the lens epithelium regulate most of the homeostatic functions of the lens. The cell of the lens epithelium also serve as the progenitor for new lens fibers. It constantly lays down fibers in the embryo, fetus, infant, and adult, and continue to lay down fibers for lifelong growth. And third part is lens fiber. This pattern of lens fiber, the the lens fiber form the bulk of the lens. They are long, thin, transparent cell firmly packed with diameters typically 4 to 7 micrometers and length of up to 12 millimeter long. The lens fiber stretched lengthwise from the posterior to the anterior pole and when cut horizontally are arranged in concentric layers rather like the layer of an onion. If cut along the equator, it, it appears as a honeycomb. The middle of each fiber lies on the equator. This tightly packed layer of lens fiber are referred to as laminae. The lens fibers are linked together via gap junction and interdigitations of the cells that resemble ball and socket forms. The lens is split into regions depending on the age of the lens fiber of a particular layer, moving outward from the central oldest layer, and the lens is split into an embryonic nucleus and the fetal nucleus and the adult nucleus and the outer cortex. New lens fibers generated from the lens epithelium are added to the outer cortex. Mature lens fibers have no organelles of or nuclei. Now the physiology of the lens. The lens, like a cornea, is transparent. It is avascular and depends on the aqueous for nourishment. It has a thick elastic capsule which prevents molecules moving into or out of it. The lens continue to grow throughout life. New lens fibers being produced from the outside and moving inward towards the nucleus with age. The lens is comprised of 65% of water and 35% of protein. The water content of the lens and decrease with age and the lens become less pliable. The lens is suspended from the ciliary body by the granule, which arises from the ciliary body and inserts into the lens capsule near the equator. So this is the reference link of this page. Thank you so much.